director of the short, Galicia Portobello Road, and Angel Santos, all the way from California, Los Angeles, to present Las Altas Presiones, high pressure.
Yes. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Joanna, for having our team in the festival and the whole team. We're so glad to have our first screening here in London. And it's a little bit strange to talk about the film before you see it. And I usually prefer the opposite, talking, make a Q&A or something like that. And maybe we can meet after in the lobby or something like that to talk if you want. I'm going to say that this one thing that I think about when introducing the film is the idea that we had when we first started to write the High Pressures was make a film in the way that we had a conversation with a friend or something like that. It's like not talk about something, not saying something very important, more like talking of any subject, jumping from one to another, like when you're talking about a record you like, or a movie you've seen, or the girl you miss, or something like that. We want the film to have this style, for say. And well, that's all. I don't want to say many things more, but if you want to talk later, I'll be here. Thank you.
I'm very happy to be here tonight because many times I've been part of the audience, so for me it's really exciting to be preceding High Pressures at the festival. Galicia Portobello Road is set in Portobello Road because I've been always fascinated by the signs that the Spanish community and especially Galicians have left in this area. There is the only Spanish school in the UK, and they teach Galician there as well. And for me it was very important to capture some of these elements in the film. In fact, the characters speak sometimes some words of Gal English, which is real words that